Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials channel. In this video I'm going to explain you how to find your mixed voice. What is the mixed voice? Mixed voice is something between your head voice and your chest voice. What am I showing with my hands? When you sing in your head voice, your vocal cords close only with their edges. When you sing in your chest voice, your vocal cords close on the full surface. They just touch each other on the full surface. Okay, so mixed voice is something between. And the first exercise to find your mixed voice is just to try to connect your head voice and your chest voice. We start on G sharp and try to make a slide one octave down. We start in our head voice. There are some approaches how to do this. The easiest one is to do it just quiet. Just it's easy to do it quiet, but most beginners struggle when they try to make it louder. The second approach is to do it again quiet, but staccato. This will teach you how to close your vocal cords slightly and gradually. And the third approach is to use your vocal fry. When we use our vocal fry, we make the entire lyrics like more narrow. And this is what we need. We need to make it narrow, because when we go up from our chest voice, from the low note, at a certain note, our cords can't reach out to each other. And then we switch to our light voice position, head voice position. This happens to everyone, to boys and girls, men and women. So at a certain note, our cords can't reach out to each other. So what we can do is to make the entire space narrow. Vocal fry is one of the exercises that can help you do that. Start in your vocal fry. Okay, so write your questions. See you in the next videos.